how to change ringtone for incoming calls on your WeChat app. So I will show you how to do that easy and quick today. Let's do it. So all what you need to do right now, guys, open your WeChat and come directly, guys, click here on your profile. So open next to settings and come to message notifications, click on it like this and go then to the last step or the last options. Click ringtone for incoming calls, click here change, and it will take you here. If you enable personalized recommendation, click for example later. Here if you see something, click on it. For example, I will select this one. And that's all, guys. I will finish the other step from here. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.